Hey everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm back with a fun fall vlog, a couple days of my life. I'm just gonna be doing some fun fall things like going to Trader Joe's, maybe going apple picking. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Hopefully it gets you in the fall mood, the fall spirit. Comment below some of your favorite fall activities. I'm gonna be doing a lot of fall things over the next couple days. Today, the main thing that I wanna do is go to Trader Joe's and shop their fall collection or fall drop. I've been seeing it all over my TikTok For You page. Everything looks so delicious. I love fall flavors like pumpkin, apple. I actually made a list on my phone of everything that I want to get at Trader Joe's. Sometimes I go in Trader Joe's and I just get a little overwhelmed. Like there's so many things. I just add too much to my cart and I get more than I really need. I'm gonna try to stick to the list. I might pick up some pumpkins while I'm there too. There's also an Aritzia next door, so I might just pop in there. They just keep coming out with cute fall pieces. My birthday's in a month, so I'm also keeping my eyes out for anything cute that I might want to ask for my birthday. Also, there's an Anthropologie, so I might pop in there as well. I'm just gonna be doing some fall shopping, mainly Trader Joe's. I'll do a little haul of everything I end up picking up at Trader Joe's, maybe even like a little taste test. Let's go. Grande iced pumpkin spice latte. Got my pumpkin spice. I forgot to say no whipped cream. I kind of like whipped cream just a little bit. This tastes so good. I went in for one specific item, which I did get. I also got another item. Back home, I thought I would do a little haul of what I picked up. I got so many yummy fall items at Trader Joe's. I spent like $80. I did get a lot of stuff. First up is the pumpkin bagels and pumpkin cream cheese. This is one of my favorite fall items from Trader Joe's. These are so good, so fall. Last year they sold out of the pumpkin cream cheese so fast. I think it was like October and they were like done for the season. Just got a couple of them. If you guys haven't gotten the pumpkin bagels and pumpkin cream cheese, you need to. It's so good. I think this might be new. Apple cinnamon sourdough bread. This just sounds so good. I might have to like try it really quick. Got these pumpkin spice teeny tiny pretzels. As you can see, I already opened them. They really are teeny tiny. I give these like a 7 out of 10. Pumpkin bagels, pumpkin cream cheese, 10 out of 10. If you don't like pumpkin, the pumpkin taste is pretty strong. Don't mind the hair clip. I opened these in the car and I didn't have like a little clip. This is the maple sea salt kettle corn. This is really good. I would give it a 9 out of 10. This might be one of my favorite things that I got. I've tasted almost all the popcorns at Trader Joe's and this one is probably the best one. I think the popcorn is better than the pretzels. The pretzels are good, but the popcorn is better. I also got these pumpkin O's. I love Cheerios, and these are kind of like Cheerios, but with more of a pumpkin flavor. I don't know about these. This was an impulsive purchase because I don't even know what I'm gonna use these for. Caramel sea salt baking chips, pumpkin spice flavored cold brew. I've never tried any cold brew from Trader Joe's, but I feel like this will be good. I've seen mixed opinions on TikTok. Some people say it's really good, some people say it's not very good. Maybe we should just taste it. I actually don't really like cold brew that much. Like I never order it when I go places. I always get a latte. I already have a latte, so I'm just gonna get a little bit of this. I don't have any creamer, so I'm just gonna add some whole milk. I don't know. Ugh, it doesn't look good at all. This is not good at all. This is seriously not good. That was a big waste of money because this is terrible. Not a fan of this. I would give it a 1 out of 10. Or maybe even a 0 out of 10. It's really, really pumpkin-y. It almost tastes like I'm drinking a candle. Somehow not sweet at all. 0 out of 10. I don't like this. I would not get this again. That's also just my personal preference. I'm not a cold brew person, so I probably shouldn't have got this to begin with. Butter with brown sugar and maple syrup. I thought this would be really good on the apple cinnamon bread as like toast. Maybe we'll try that too. This just sounds really good, like on toast or something. Sugar cookie dough pumpkins. These also just sound really good. People on TikTok were saying these are really good. The pumpkin brioche twist. This is so delicious. I got several of these last year. It's so good. This would probably be one of my top Trader Joe's fall items. I like to use it to make French toast, but this is really good. So good. The cinnamon, the pumpkin. If you're gonna get anything from Trader Joe's for fall, it needs to be this. It's so good. The apple cider donuts. I feel like this is a super popular item from Trader Joe's for fall. I actually already had one of these and these are so good. I would give them like a 9 out of 10. They're a really good, yummy donut. It tastes like one you would get at like the pumpkin patch or something. I also got a bunch of their spreads. They have really good seasonal spreads. I got this organic maple butter. This sold out last year, so I never got to try it. It was going viral on TikTok. People say it's really good for lattes. Like you just put a little bit of this, brew an espresso shot over top. Supposedly it's really good, so I'll have to try this tomorrow. I also got this apple pie spread. I thought this would be really good over the apple cinnamon sourdough, and then the pumpkin butter like as a spread and a recipe. I feel like it would be good for coffee. Vanilla bean paste, I've almost gone through a whole one, so I just wanted like a little restock. Pumpkin spice snickerdoodle cookie mix. I made some like homemade snickerdoodle pumpkin cookies last year and they're so good. I feel like I make them every fall. This seems so much easier. There's like a kitchen sink cookie mix that my sister absolutely loves. These just look so yummy, so I'm gonna have to make these maybe this week. Pecan pumpkin oatmeal. This sounds so good. I love oatmeal on cold mornings. It's just so cozy and yummy. I feel like this would be really good. Like pecan pumpkin sounds really yummy. Lastly, I just got some mini pumpkins. I thought these would be cute on my island, maybe just like on my counter, on my desk. I also got just like some groceries from Trader Joe's. Before I put all this up, let's try the apple cinnamon sourdough bread. I'm so excited about this. I'm just gonna get like a small little piece to try. I'm gonna try the butter on one half and the apple spread on one half. I'm just gonna break it in half, see which one's better. The butter is really good, especially in the sourdough. I'm gonna put this apple pie spread on the other half of the sourdough. I feel like the apple pie spread does go really good on the apple cinnamon sourdough. Very appley, very fall. I kind of like the taste of the butter more. I don't feel like this was as good as I expected it to be, but it's still pretty good. That's everything I got from Trader Joe's. I don't think I vlogged it, but I also went in IKEA because I kind of want to get like a dresser from there. While I was in there, I saw this little glass pumpkin candle. So cute. Actually has a pretty good smell too. At Sephora, I just got one thing, just a little restock. I got the Say Glowy Super Gel in Star Glow. I'm like completely out of mine. Love this. I use it every day. Lastly is Aritzia. I got a couple things. I went in there for one specific item, which I did get. I just love Aritzia. It's so hard for me to go in there and not get something. I just love their pieces so much. Since I was there last, they have a ton of new fall stuff. Everything was so cute. I got these two shirts, this little striped t-shirt. I really wanted a shirt like this during summer, but they were completely sold out. I was like kind of surprised to see these as part of their fall drop. Mostly I've seen long sleeves. This is really cute, especially for like a summer to fall transition. I keep finding myself wanting a shirt like this, so I thought this would be super cute. I got this in a large because I wanted it to be a little oversized. And then I got this chocolate brown home stretch tee. It's just like a long sleeve. It's like a soft rib material. I absolutely love these. I recently got the chocolate brown sweatpants. I thought this would be really cute to go with them. That's everything I got. Just got to the apple orchard. I'm gonna have like a fun fall afternoon. They do a lot of their fun fall activities on the weekend, but today's actually a Friday. I'm working with a brand on an ad for them to post on their social media, so I'm filming a bunch of content. I didn't want it to be so busy with tons of crowds, and it's actually gonna rain all weekend. Like the perfect warm fall day today. I don't know if they're gonna have like the caramel apple and the apple cider donuts. It's not a weekend technically. Fingers crossed they do. I'm really craving. They have really good caramel apples here. Even though they don't have all the fall activities on a weekday, this is really the time to come because we are the only ones here. I just love the fall vibes of like an apple orchard or pumpkin patch. I actually never ended up coming last year, so it's just fun to like walk around, see the little farm animals, the pumpkins. They have such a good pumpkin assortment here. The pumpkin patch slash apple orchard is now closed. This was like a fun little fall afternoon. Even if you don't really have anyone to go to a pumpkin patch with, you don't really need any pumpkins, it's still fun to just like walk around, like the vibes. Definitely recommend going to a little pumpkin patch. Coffee. We also got a little lunch. We got some truffle fries. I don't even know what the other thing was called, but it was good. Constructed pizza, sort of. Now we're gonna go stop in Sephora and look at the little Rhode collection. I haven't seen Rhode in Sephora yet, so I'm really excited. just got home and I have this box from Thrive Market, so I thought I could open it up. Thrive Market is the ultimate online grocery store for anything that's like non-junk. They have tons of snacks and pantry essentials. There's no harmful ingredients, artificial flavors, synthetic dyes. I mostly got sweet treats and snacks, so let's just unbox and do a little taste test. I actually have a discount with Thrive Market. You can use my link for 30% off your first order plus a free gift. So I'm gonna have that link below at the very top of my description. If you guys want to check out Thrive Market, everything I've ever tried from them has been really good. First up are these Heavenly Hunks birthday cake granola bites. Let's do a little taste test. Anything birthday cake, you just know it's gonna be good. Let's just open it. Here's what it looks like. I think it's like a little granola cookie type thing. I'm not really sure. These are really good. Next, I got the Simple Mills pumpkin baking mix for pumpkin muffins or bread. I love anything pumpkin, so I feel like these will be really good. This is probably one of the items I was most excited about. It's this Purely Elizabeth chocolate chip cookie granola. It's like big granola chunks. This is really good. I'll definitely be getting it again. This is gonna be so good on a yogurt bowl. Next are these peanut butter pretzel nuggets. I've actually gotten these before and they're really good. They're like a nice filling, yummy, savory snack. Next, I just got this 3 Wishes marshmallow cereal. Cereal just sounded really good. Like I love a good bowl of cereal. This is sweet, but it's not super sugary. That's really good. Definitely better than the Trader Joe's pumpkin nose that I got. Next are these sea salt chocolate chip cookies. I've seen several people I follow talk about these and I really want to try them. I love a good chocolate chip cookie, especially with sea salt. There's 4 cookies, so let's just try one. Oh. It kind of looks weird. It's like a very soft, chewy cookie, very chocolatey. Lastly, I have these chili lime potato chips. I've also seen these on TikTok. I feel like they're gonna be pretty good. These are pretty good. I guess I saved the best for last because this is probably my favorite thing that I got. That's everything I picked up from Thrive Market. Definitely make sure to check it out for yourself. I'm gonna have my link below if you guys want to save 30% off your first order and get a free gift. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my little unboxing and taste test. If you've ordered from Thrive Market before, comment below some of your favorites from them so I can check them out next time. I made some tomato soup and a grilled cheese. I actually made this in a previous vlog. It was so good, I wanted to make it again. It's also super easy, so it's a really good kind of go-to meal. Now I'm just gonna make these sugar pumpkin cookies that I got at Trader Joe's the other day. These look so good and I've heard amazing things about them. I just made these little pumpkin sugar cookies. They're so good. They kind of remind me of the little Pillsbury cookies, but maybe even a little better. That is everything for my fall vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely give a big thumbs up if you did. Comment below your favorite fall activity. Thank you so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you stayed until the end of the video, and I will see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.